Hello everyone, myself first. Today we are going to solve the given problem from topic sphere. Question is given: obtain the equation of the sphere on which the intersection of the plane 5x minus of 2y plus of 4z plus of 7 is equal to 0 with the sphere which has 0 comma 1 comma 0 and 3 comma minus 5 comma 2 as the ends points of its diameter is a great circle. Let's solve the problem. Given equation of plane is, this is 5x minus of 2y plus of 4z plus of 7 is equal to 0. And we know that the general equation of a sphere, this is given by x square, x minus of a का whole square plus of y minus of b का whole square plus of z minus of c का whole square is equal to r square. Here the 2 points joining the sphere given by, we have to first draw the figure. This is the sphere and this is the point joining here. This is the center. Point A is given by 0 comma 1 comma 0 and the point B is given by 3 comma minus 5 comma 2. And here we can also draw the intersection of plane. This is another circle, and intersection of plane, once again we have to draw. This is the intersection of plane and the plane equation is given by here. This is 5x minus of 2y plus of 4z plus of 7 is equal to 0. This is the sphere S1 and this is the sphere S2. And we have to find the center of the sphere S1. Center of the sphere S1 is given by, we have to taking the midpoints of AB. Points of AB is, we know that this is the formula used, x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2 and z1 upon z2 plus of 2. Here this is x1 y1 z1 and this is x2 y2 z2. So we have to write here and we get the center. This is x1 is 0 plus 3 by 2 and 1 minus of 5 upon 2, and here this is 0 plus 2 upon 2. We get here this is 3 by 2 comma 1 minus of 4, this is minus of 4 by 2, this is minus of 2, and here is 1. So we get the center of the sphere S1. This is the center. We have to calculate it. We have to write here this is 3 by 2 comma minus 2 comma 1. This is the center which I have to calculate it, and further we have to find the radius of the sphere S1. Radius of sphere S1 is equal to length of joining the AB diameter. So we have to write here, this is given by r is equal to under root of x1 minus of x2 का whole square plus of y1 minus of y2 का whole square plus of z1 minus of z2 का whole square. And so we have to put here, this is given by under root of x1 is here 0, 0 minus 3. Once again we have to write here, this is x1 length of joining of the diameter. This is given by x1 minus of x2, and here x1 minus of x2 is 0 minus of 3, 0 minus of 3. We have to get the sphere of the equation. Once again, 3/2, we can write here, this is 0 minus of 3 का whole square plus of 1 plus of 5 का whole square plus of 0 minus of 2 का whole square. Length of joining of the diameter AB, and we can also joining the midpoints of the two, so we have to write here, once again we have to calculate it. This is given by minus of 3 square is 9, and this is 36, and this is 4. We get 36 plus 4 is 40, and 40 plus 9 is under root of 49. We get 7. And here we have to find the radius of sphere S1. Then the line joining AB of the diameter, we get the half of the given circle. So we have to write here, to have to radius is taking the half of the, this gives 7/2 here, and we have to put in the general equation of a sphere. This is given by x minus of a, here a is 3/2 minus of 3/2 का whole square plus of y minus of b, here b is minus of 2, here already minus, this is plus of 2 का whole square plus of z minus of c, this is 1, z minus of 1 का whole square, and r square we have to calculate it here. We have to calculate the radius of a sphere S1 is equal to length of joining of the diameter AB. So we have to calculate the length, and we get the radius of the length of the diameter of the AB. So we have the half of the length of the diameter. So we get the here 7/2. So we have to put here, this is 49/4, 49/4, and further we have to simplify. We get x square plus of 9/4 and minus of 3x, and here y square plus of 4 plus of 4y plus of z square plus of 1 minus of 2z is equal to 49/4, and we have to simplify the equation of a sphere. This gives x square plus of y square plus of z square, and here minus of 3x plus of 4y and minus of 2z, and we have to take in, this is 49/4, and here 9/4 is taken to right hand side, this is minus 9/4, and we can also take the outside, this is 4, this is minus of 4, and here plus of 1 is minus of 1, and we have to solving, this gives, we have to taking LCM is 4, this is 49 minus of 9 and minus of 16, and here minus of 4. So we have to get here 16 plus 4, 6 minus 16 and minus 4 is 20, and minus 9 is 29. 29 minus of 49 minus 29, we get 20. This is 20/4, this gives 5. and we have to write the equation of a sphere as one. This is x square plus of y square plus of z square minus of 3x plus of 4y minus of 2z, and 5z is taken to left hand side. This is 5 is equal to 0. This is the equation of a sphere S1. And further we have to find the equation of a sphere of S2. Equation of a sphere S2 is given. This is S1 plus of lambda p. Here p is the plane, equation of plane. So we have to write here, this is S1 equation of, this is the equation of a sphere S1. So we have to write here, this is x square plus of y square plus of z square minus of 3x and plus of 4y and minus of 2z minus of 5 plus of lambda, and the equation of plane is given by 5x minus of 2y plus of 4z plus of 7, and further we have to solve. This is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, and further we have to solving. We get here, this is once again x square plus of y square plus of z square, and we have to taking here minus of lambda 5x into minus of 3x into one bracket, taking x is common, this is x is taking common, we get here 5 lambda minus of 3, and here 4y and minus of 2y lambda is taken to one bracket, and 2y is taking common, this is plus of 2y is taking common. Here this gives 2 minus of lambda, and further plus of minus of 2z and plus of 4z lambda is taking, here plus of 2z is taking common, here this gives 2 minus of, once again 4, here we have to get here, when we have to here, this is 1 minus of lambda, we have to taking 2y is taking common, this gives 2y is taking common, once again 2y is taking common, this gives 2 minus of lambda, this is 2 minus of 2 to the 4y and minus of 2y lambda, and from here this is minus of 2z, once again minus of 2z and 4z lambda, from here we have to take common, 2z is taking common, we get 2 plus of lambda, once again 2 minus of lambda, here is minus of 2, so we have to write here, this is minus of 2z lambda, 5x minus of 2y plus of 4z, 3x plus of 4y minus of 2z, 3x plus of 4y minus of 3x plus of 4y minus of 2z minus of 5x minus of 2z. Here we have to take x is taken in one bracket, y is taken in one bracket here, and again we have to take z here, 2z is taking common here, this gives 2 lambda here, this is 2 lambda minus of 1, and 2 lambda minus of 1, and also this is given by plus of 7 lambda minus of 5 is equal to 0, and from here we have to find the center of this sphere S2. This gives minus of 2gx here. So we have to write here the center. This is given by 5 lambda minus of 3 by 2, and here is minus once again 2ux, and here we have to take also from here. This gives once again we have to taking 2ux plus 2vy. Here 2vy we have to get the center from here. This is 2 minus of lambda minus, and for the z axis we have to get here. This is 2 lambda minus of 1 minus of here the center, and this center satisfies the equation of plane. Satisfy the equation of plane. So we have to put in the plane equation of plane. 5 into here x is given by minus of 5 lambda minus of 3 upon 2, and here minus of 2y. Minus of 2 in place of y we have to put here minus of 2 minus of lambda, and plus of 4 z. Here we have to put here. This is minus of 2 lambda minus of 1, and plus of 7 is equal to 0. Once again 2 is taking common from here. This is 2y. X is taking common. This is 5 lambda minus of 3, and 2y is taking common. This gives 2 minus of lambda, and here 2z is taking common. We get 2 lambda minus of 1. So we have to write the center here 2ux, 2vy, 2wz, and we have to solving here. We get the value of lambda. This is taking LCM. This is 5 into we have to minus multiplied with this gives 3 minus of 5 lambda, and minus of 2 is taking LCM. This gives minus of 4, and here we have to write here lambda minus of 2, and here we have to multiply with 2. This gives plus of 8, and here 1 minus of 2 lambda, and plus of 20 plus of 14 is equal to 0, and we have to solving. We get 5 3s are 15 minus of 25 lambda minus of 4 lambda, and plus of 8, and plus of 8 minus of 16 lambda plus of 14 is equal to 0. And from here we have to get the value of lambda. This is 6 minus of 16 and minus of 4 is 20 and 25. This gives minus of 45 lambda, and here 15 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 8 is once again 24 plus 8 is 32. 32 plus 14 is 36. It is 46. 46. Once again we have to again add. This is 15 plus 29 plus 14 is 29. 29 plus 8 is 37. 37 plus 8 is 45 is equal to 0, and from here this gives 45 lambda is equal to 45. once again we have to write in minus of 45. From here this is 45 to 45 is cancel out and lambda is equal to 1, and so we have to put here in the equation, here lambda is equal to 1, we get the required result. So we have to put in here once again, we have to put in, we get the equation of a sphere S2, this is x square plus of y square plus of z square plus of x. Here we have to put in place of lambda, this is 1, this is 5 minus 2 is 5 minus 3 is 2, and plus of 2y. Here we can also put lambda in place of 1, we get 2 minus of 1 is 1, plus of 2z, here 2 lambda, here we have to put 1, 2 minus of 1 is 1, plus of 7 minus of 5 is equal to 0, and we have to simplify, we get the second sphere of equation. This is given by x square plus of y square plus of z square plus of 2x plus of 2y plus of 2z, and here 7 minus 5 is plus of 2 is equal to 0, and this is the equation of a sphere S2, and we have to find the center. Center is given by 2ux. We can write here 2ux, this is minus of 1 and minus of 1, this is minus of 1. This is the center of the equation of the sphere 2, and this is the required solution of the given problem. Thank you class, and thank you for watching.